Exhale out. Again, deep breath in. And long breath out. One more time like this. Inhale in. And this time as you exhale, slow and steady, release the hands, palm face up on your knees. Lift your chest. And even in the small gestures such as this one, you can think about how you move, so how you bring your hands together. Now drop your chin to your chest, bow your head to your hands. Take a deep breath in. And a nice slow can be meaningful. It can help influence how you feel on the mat. Just something to pay attention to, plant a little seed. How you move matters.